Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics. So in the previous video we have seen two examples, okay, where numbers are multiplied, single digit numbers are multiplied, and their differences are either less than their base or more than their base. And we also seen two digit number multiplication. There also we have seen that both the numbers are either less than their base or more than their base. So what we are going to do here is we are going to multiply two numbers and they with the mixed differences. For example, one of the number will be more than the base, the other number will be less than the base. Okay, for example, so let's see 7, it is less than the base 10. Okay, and say 12, it is more than the base base 10. Okay, so how to multiply these kind of numbers? Okay, how to multiply these is the topic of this video. Okay, so first what we have to do is, if we are going to multiply these two numbers, simply write down the difference. And because 7 is less than the 10, write down -3. 3 is the difference, and since 12 is more than the base, so you have to write +2. Okay, so once you are done with this, you have to do the usual subtraction and then usual multiplication. So first you have to do a cross subtraction. Why we have to do subtraction? Because it's -3 is written here. Okay, so it will be 12 minus 3, which is going to be 9. Okay, if you don't want to do that, you can do this way, which is +2. So 7 plus 2 is going to give me the same answer. It's going to give me 9. Okay, so this part is over. Now we have to do a vertical multiplication between these two numbers. So 3 into 2 is going to give me 6. Okay, so I got 9 and I got 6. So this is my first digit. Remember that we can divide the solution into two parts, first digit and the second digit. So first digit is going to be 9 and second digit is going to be 6. So this is not the answer. Okay, we have to do some more steps because the differences are either bigger or smaller than the base. Okay, it's kind of a mix differences. So what we have to do is we have to add two or three steps that I'm going to show you now. First you have to take the first number, take 9 and subtract 1 from it. So if you subtract 1, you get 8. Then you pick up the second number. Okay, pick the second number, 6. Okay, and this 6 must be subtracted from the base. So our base is 10. I'm going to simply take 6 and subtract it. So I get 84. Okay, so the answer now I got 84. So my answer is 8 4. So let us verify the answer. Let's use the calculator and see if it is correct. First I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 7 into 12 and see the answer, 84. So that means it is correct. Okay, let us take a bigger number. This is single digit number, right? Now let me take a bigger number, something like 2-digit number. Okay, and what I am going to do is I am going to follow the same procedure. Okay, there is no difference, there is nothing going to be not going to be different. So in this case I'll take one number which is 94 and it is multiplied with say 113. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these two numbers, and our base is 100 because we are using 2-digit numbers, so base is going to be 100. So what I see here is the 94 is actually, it is smaller than the base. How much is the difference? It is 6. And if you look at the second number, so difference is plus 13. You're actually more than the base. Okay, and then I have to find the first and the second number. So again friends, we are going to do the same thing. Either you do a cross subtraction or cross addition. So let's do cross addition. 94 plus 1330. So what is going to be 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. So this is going to be 107. Let me verify again. 4 plus 3 is 7, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 107. Now I must multiply these two numbers, 13 into 6, and the result will be 6 into 3 is 18, 1 balance, and 6 ones are 6 plus 1 is going to be 78. Let's cross this. So friends, I'm getting two numbers which I'm going to write here. First I got, the first number is 107 and the second number is 78. Okay, but this is not the answer, because as I told you earlier that this is not going to be the answer, because the reason is we have to perform 2 or 3 steps once again. So first step is to subtract 1 from this number, the second number. So 107, I just write it down for simplicity. But all these things you can do in your head, there is no need of writing it down on a pen and paper. With a little practice you should be able to do it on your head, inside your head, and come up with a quick solution. Okay, this is just for learning, that I'm exploring, I am expanding and elaborating each and every step. Okay, this is not necessary while you're doing it in your head. So what I got here is, first number is going to be 106 and the second number I must remove it. I must subtract it from the base, which is 100. 100 minus 78 is going to give me 10 minus 8 is going to give me 2, and then remaining 9 minus 7 is going to give me 2. Okay, so our answer is going to be 10622. Okay, right. So what we need to do is just verify our answer using the calculator. So 94 multiplied by 113 give me 10622. So friends, I hope you will learn something interesting here, and for more videos please subscribe to my channel.